So this is a boat that just wouldn't shift into forward. Had been doing fine, and then all of a sudden just quit shifting. And I initially suspected it was going to be an inner shift cable issue, but the inner shift cable seems to be fine. This mechanism right here seems to be fine. See some kind of fresh marks right there, and the gimbal bearing looks to be new. So we pulled it off, and it wouldn't shift on its own into forward. It just stopped about right there, so it never shifted into forward. Went ahead and took it, drained the fluid out of it. There's some metal in it, so we haven't pulled out. There are the parts. Seems to be no damage on the teeth of the clutch dog, but now it shifts just like it's supposed to, and it's not bound up. This is what came off of for the seal. You notice it's been boogered up and pulled out a number of times, and extra holes been drilled in it. That's pretty weird. This is what it should look like. And so that's been through a lot of taking in and out. And I mean, when you take one out, you just replace that seal. But everything seems to be smooth. It's working now that we've taken the carrier out, and there was, as I said, there was some metal in the fluid. So that's just where we are right now.